Hi, this is Dean in front of my 1989 Jeep Cherokee with 277,000 miles on it. As you see, the hood is a little red, faded, which I want to get paint. But the most important thing I want to do is get tires, which are pretty well getting to be bald, and probably a few other things. But like the car itself, it's 25 years old, just like me. I'm 72 years old. So that's some of the things I want to get done, and some transmission servicing work, and just a few other things. So thank you for your support.